Well, welcome back everybody to another episode. This is going to be a wet one. I just want to start off by saying, because as you can see, it is currently raining. It's on and off. There's a guy way over there in orange. I'm not gonna be the only one here, but it's just gonna be wet. So we're gonna just bring the GoPro, obviously leaving this damn thing here. It's 3:51, and as you can see, it's saying it's gonna rain for a while. So it is what it is. We'll see if we can get some smallmouth. The only reason I'm out here is because people said they've been catching smallmouth, and I really want to go for smallmouth. I've been targeting largemouth with some good success, but not too much good success. I mean, I've caught some nice fish, but I haven't caught that many fish. So I'm gonna change species for a little second here and see if we can't chase another one. I might get skunked again. Who knows? Probably. I gotta remember how to do this. I haven't done this in a long time. So stay tuned, and hopefully, well, you guys are gonna stay dry. I'm gonna get wet. We got the bugaboo though. Also, we got the Crocs on and no socks because it's wet. These aren't clogs, Dave. These are not clogs. These are Crocs. All right, Crocs. All right, let's go. Oh, dude, I forgot I had these. Yes, that's gonna come into play here in a little bit. But now that I know, I usually like switch my reels around on my rods a lot for whatever reason, and I don't know, the reason I do that is because I'm trying to figure out, I'm consistently trying to figure out which reel I like best on which rod. And there's been, with all of the combos that I've switched up, different reels, different rods, the only one that has stayed the same because it's perfect is this combo here. I've never taken it off. I used to fish with this with other stuff, but ever since I found the jerkbait and tuned it, I haven't thrown it on anything else. I just made that jerkbait turn around. That was sick, I can see it. He stopped and looked at it. That's a big ass pike is what that is. I don't think I want that thing to bite this, I'm not gonna lie. But I kinda want it to bite it, I'm not gonna lie. Cause he'll take this lure in a hurry, honestly. Oh, dude. That's a hook stuck in there. Oh, got it. Got it. Schools of shad everywhere, dude. Big shad. I got my mega bass back. Now it's stuck forever. Why did I do that? Why did I just do that? Oh great, it just like ruined everything. Perfect.
Are you at the harbor?
Yeah.
Damn.
And I was like, fuck it, I'll just go to the harbor, see what's up.
Is there, there's no pond out that way, is there?
Oh, did they see it? He saw it. It was, oh my God, I'm on. Oh my God, I'm on, hold on. Hold on. No, he came off. He came off. No way. No. No. How? Oh my God, I got it. I got the cast. Oh my God, it broke off. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me, dude? How did I break off? How did I break off? How did I break off? Not having a very good day at all, dude. I should not have set the hook like that, dude. Damn it, dude. I got way too excited. Set the hook like I'm fishing a jig and snapped my jig head off. It didn't break at the knot where I tied the two lines together. It broke at the knot where I tied to the hook. Because I went, boom! I seen it was so exciting, dude. I do not. Son of a bitch, literally, I seen him come out, crack it. I set the hook, snapped instantly. I seen him shake his head, and then he went right back under the dock. Damn it, dude. But I made the perfect flip under there, dude. I don't know if he's still there anymore. Now it's raining. Oh, he's still there. I see him. Yeah, he's still there. There's two of them now. There he is. Got him. There he is. Got him that time. Yes, I did. On the Okashira, baby. That was the smaller of the two that were down there. Alright, let's hope that, well, let's let him tire himself out first. Now we gotta see if we can land this fish. Watch out. Get away from that wall. Oh, got him. Oop, shit, stepped on my rod tip. Little smallmouth falls victim to the Okashira screwhead. First smallmouth of the season too, boys. Not too big, but it was just a fun fight regardless. Got him on that Okashira. I just had to make enough attempts of skipping under the dock to get one good one, and then, well, they ate it. Try not to, there you go. Let him go. Let him go, let him grow. There it is. Is that a rock? That's a crappie. That's a big ass crappie, dude. That's a big ass crappie. What the hell? What the fuck? What the fuck, dude? Proof.
What is that?
I think it's a crappie. I think. I didn't know I would catch that today, so it's kind of a surprise. Little bit of a surprise.
Funny, yeah.
Oh my god. I just got my P. First off, this is my PB crappie. Without a doubt. Look at that thing, dude. That's a dinner plate. And it came on the Okashira screwhead. God, I love Lake Michigan fishing, dude. Crappie!
That's good.
Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna catch that.
Crappie, huh?
Yeah.
What did you catch him with?
A little swim bait. A little tiny swim bait.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, I've seen like tiny ones like every now and then, but not any that big ever. So
that's big for anyway.
yeah.
Good for you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hello?
What up?
I'm alright, I'm down the street. I turned right at the stop sign and go down that long.
You said you passed the bridge? There he is. There he is. Oh my God! Come on! I knew he was under there. I knew he was under there. He came right out and just hammered it, dude. There he is. Another crappie, another giant crappie, dude. Do you see this crappie? What? What? No, I didn't. But are you kidding me? He bit so soft. Another one. Another. Why am I catching crappie right now, dog? I just broke my crappie PB twice in a day. How about it? I don't know. I threw a little tightrope earlier, dude, and I didn't get nothing. I was dragging it because it's hard. You got to drag it so slow to keep it on the bottom. Got him? Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him. Yeah! Let's go! I told you he was coming. I told you he was coming.
That was a great call.
Yeah. I told you he was coming. I got pliers on me.
It's not small as hell.
Yes, sir. What he crack? Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh my God. There is two giants under here. You see them? Both suspended right there. There's no way to get to them, dude. If I hook them, I can't pull them over that fucking thing. And if you hook them, if you try to get in there, you're gonna probably snag up. Those are the big females we're looking for. Oh, I see him. I see his ass. I got him. Oh my God, that's a good one too. That's a good one. That's a good one. There's a belly snatcher right there. There's a belly snatcher right there. That's a good one, dude. That's a good one. I don't know how I'm gonna get him. I don't know how I'm gonna get you, dude. Hey, Justin! Justin! Fuck. I don't know how I'm gonna get this guy. Hey, Siri. Hey, Siri. Call Justin.
Did you mean Justin Royal?
Nope, 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 nope. No, call Fat Boy.
Who would you like to call?
Fat Boy. Oh, like this.
Fat boy.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing. I don't know how I'm gonna get this thing, dude. You gotta get on that ladder, dude. You gotta get on that ladder. Oh, I got a bag. I got a bag. I got a bag. I got a bag. No, I got a bag. He's stuck on a bag. You gotta get on that fucking ladder, dude. He's about to pop off. I did not think he was gonna bite. God. He's barely hooked too. Get him, grab his mouth. Don't grab the lunch, grab his mouth, grab his mouth, grab his mouth. Fuck it. Get his ass, get his ass, get his ass. Clutch! 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 Oh my god! Shout out to Justin for getting wet for this one.
Oh, right foot's wet.
Oh my god, right in the corner of the mouth.
Oh, that was worth it. Are you kidding me?
Heavy, dude. Oh my god, that was the most hectic shit ever. I'm like,
see that shit on video.
I'm like, oh my god, I got him. I look, you're running the other way. I'm like, Justin! Justin! How much do you think he's heavy, dude? Like, he's heavy. That's probably like 4, 3.5, 4.
That's gotta be 3.5, 4.
Damn, dude. I don't know, but he might go more than that, dude. His belly's full.
Yeah, I should have got the scale.
All right, I don't have my fucking scale. I'm gonna go on that dock though. And do you have it with you? All right, he's running back to get a scale, but I'm gonna hold this thing in the water so that it doesn't, you know, so that it can breathe. That's a big one though. We saw 2 under the dock. We were like, I wonder. And I was like, dude, you heard him. I mean, I'll show you in the video, but I was like, I don't know if we'll be able to get him. But luckily, I brought him out the other side so that it was a little more clear so that I could actually get him. And he bit. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That is a good one. Whoo! Alright.
I didn't sign up for this workout.
He said, Jim, again. Oh my goodness.
Your recording has reached the maximum.
I've been recording the whole time to your voicemail. Because I said, call Justin. I was trying to call your ass.
Press 4. To cancel this message,
Squeeze that.
to send this message now, press pound or hang up.
Get up there.
491, bro. 489, 491.
491. He just got a... I can't, bro.
Jesus. Jeez. Boy, my PB's 410, 4 pounds, 10 ounces. That was 4.9, what was it, 4.98? Or 4. No, it was 4.91. Which means if that I'll do the transfer, I'll do the, well, we'll figure it out real quick for you. But that's, I think it's another PB. I can't even talk. The bigs are biting.
I think it's fine.
Right. Right. Woo.
Fucking dang. I'm so damn glad I came.
Oh my god, dude. I would not have, see, that's the thing. I was like, I couldn't lift it up. If I could lift it up, I would have did it. But I was like, this is 8-pound
You had
test.
to try to climb the ladder.
Right. That's what I was like, bro. I was like, I don't know how I'm gonna fucking get this fish.
It's so, I don't care. We just got a 4.9 fucking. Yeah.
Let's go.
The harbors are on.
Fire.
The harbors are on.
Fuck you, man. This is exactly what I needed to know. Perfect. Oh my god.
Such a work.
Oh.
Run away from my pain now. I feel like passing out. Why do I